Hi, Chemistry. This is another sample problem coming to you from Chapter 7, Section 3. Here we're calculating the formula mass of magnesium chloride, which is MgCl2. I'll be referring to a 5-step system for calculating formula mass. Please be sure that you've watched the video lecture and have taken appropriate notes, and have your note packet open to this system as you follow along. First step, I need to go through and identify each element I have present. Next step, go to your periodic table and identify the average atomic mass of each of the elements present. So I have magnesium and chlorine. Magnesium has a mass of 24.30. Chlorine has a mass of 35.453. Next step, I need to take into consideration how many of each element are present. Look at the formula, you see that there's 1 magnesium and there are 2 chlorines. Next step, multiply these together. So I'll have 24.30, and let's see here, use my calculator for some help. 2 chlorines come in at 70.906. Next step, I will sum these. Again, I'll use my calculator for some help. And that comes out to be 95.206. And because the appropriate unit for formula mass is AMU, you might be tempted to just slap an AMU on there and call it good. But one thing we have not done is taken into consideration how many significant figures we should include in this response. Over here, we're multiplying, so when you multiply, you just take into consideration the number with the fewest significant figures and carry that over for your product. That's what we did for the multiplication. But over here, in the second calculation, we're going to be using addition. And for this set of rules, we are going to look at all of the values that we are adding together or summing or subtracting. It's the same rule for subtracting. We want to consider how many digits are past the decimal point in each of these values. Whichever value has the fewest digits beyond the decimal point, that is how many digits you should record your answer with. So, I see that there are 1, 2, 3 digits past the decimal, and 1, 2 digits past the decimal. So 2 is less than 3, so I want my answer to be recorded with 2 digits beyond the decimal. Taking into consideration this 6, that's going to tell me I actually want to round up. And so the final answer that I am going to record for the formula mass of magnesium chloride is actually 95.21